Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will experience an exotic moment of Ganga Aarti in the bank of river Ganges in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. These are the some rituals that can perform at the time of Ganga Aarti. This is the time when many peoples are integrated together to have fun and blessings of Ma Ganga. The two terms that go synonymous with Rishikesh are spirituality and devotion. This is the gateway to Char Dham Yatra. Parmat Niketan Ghat and Triveni Ghat are two most prominent and popular ghat to experience this spectacular Ganga Aarti. Here first we will discuss about the Parmat Niketan Ghat. Divine feeling imprinted on our mind to see the Ganga Aarti. It gives us divine vibes. When you will feel lonely, you can go to experience the Aarti. This enriches Sanatan culture and tribute to goddess Mata Ganga. You can stay near Tapovan and experience this beautiful divine Aarti. The timing of Aarti in Parmat Niketan Ghat is 6 pm to 7 pm every day. You can see here how beautifully people are enjoying in the time of Ganga Aarti. Now let me tell you how to reach the Parmat Niketan Ghat. The Parmat Niketan, this ashram is located at the bank of river Ganga. This is 500 meter from the Ram Jhula, 15 km from Haridwar and 20 km from Jolly Grant Airport, Dehradun. Now enjoy the rhythm of Ganga Aarti. This Aarti starts with chanting mantras, singing bhajans, prayers and sacred rituals that take place around the fire. This fire spreads positivity in the surroundings. This is a pleasant ritual of worshipping the river Ganga. It is beautiful to see so many diyas floating in the Ganges. In Rishikesh, at evening time, you can find many priests offering aarti to river Ganges, but in the most of the famous place of Ganga Aarti that I am telling you is Parmat Niketan Ashram. Mainly the rituals over here are organized and performed by Vedic priests, particularly the children who are studying the Vedas here. Now let me tell you about the Ganga Aarti at Triveni Ghat that you can see in this video. This is the another famous place for Maha Aarti. This Aarti starts with chanting by bhajans, beating drums, bells and diyas offering to the river Ganga. The priest hold the large fire bowls in their hands. Daily morning and evening Aarti takes place at the Triveni Ghat. Now you need to know how to reach at Triveni Ghat. Hire a auto for this place from Haridwar, which is 10 km from this place. Some additional things you need to know before going to Rishikesh. The best time to visit Ganga Aarti is February, March, April, May, June, September, October, November, December. You cannot go there to July and August because there is a rainy season. The location is Pauri, Garhwal. Peoples all over the India visit this place to see the beautiful Ganga Aarti. other things to do in Rishikesh, those are to visit the junkyard camp, Lakshman Jhula, Trambakesha temple. The Ganga Arati is totally in a rhythmic way they are doing. In this video, you can see the total Ganga river Arati at the bank of river Ganga in Rishikesh. People all over the India come this place to see the beautiful river Ganga Arati and to seek the blessings of the Mata Ganga. Foreigners also visit this place to see the beautiful ceremony. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe and give your valuable comments. Thank you.